We all know real estate is all about location. Do you want to live just minutes to shopping? Do you want a short commute to downtown Raleigh and the country? Well, then come check out 35 Capeward Court in Garner, North Carolina. This wonderful home has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a fantastic loft. Not to mention a formal dining area and an office with French doors. You will not want to miss this amazing oversized patio with a beautiful wooded view. And check out this insane custom closet. And to make this even more enticing, the seller is willing to convey the fridge, washer, and dryer, the dining room table and chairs, grill and cover, grill prep table, and the back porch furniture with the right offer. So come buy this house and fall in love with Garner, North Carolina. Give me a call today. Thanks for watching. If you want a more detailed tour, click here.